Dr. Bailey. Has your child ever been diagnosed with a sty or an eye swelling that needed a warm compress? Well, this may be your answer.
First off, run the diaper under water with the temperature of your choice. For a warm compress, you want to run it under water that's a little bit warmer than warm. For a cool compress, you want to run it under cold water. Next, take off any excess water from the diaper or absorbent napkin. You also want to feel the diaper in cases of warm compresses to make sure that the diaper isn't too warm before placing it on your child's eye. Finally, you are ready to apply your warm or cool compress. Please apply the compress to the affected area and hold it for about 5 to 10 minutes. It may be best for children who are younger to have them asleep before doing so. And please do not hold them as I am holding this doll in the video. Have them placed in your lap, comfortable, wrapped in a blanket, so that they're also comforted. For more tips and tricks for your child's everyday health conundrums, subscribe to our YouTube channel and go to our website at www.askpeds.com.